Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS05. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HS05 is making a strange noise, it can be quite concerning. This noise often indicates a blockage or a malfunction in the motor, which if left unattended, can lead to more severe damage and expensive repairs. Ignoring it might cause the device to overheat or stop working altogether, so it's best to address the issue promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a replacement motor if necessary. First, ensure your Dyson HS05 is turned off and unplugged. Carefully use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the device. Once the screws are taken out, gently pull apart the casing. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as it may damage the clips that hold the casing together. After opening the device, the next step is to locate the motor. You should hear a faint buzzing sound if the motor is still functioning. If the motor is making unusual noises, it's likely that it needs replacement. To extract the motor, disconnect the wires carefully. Take note of where each wire connects, as you will need to reattach them later. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry the motor out of its housing, being careful not to damage any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old motor is out, take the new motor and place it into the housing. Reconnect the wires exactly as they were before. After ensuring everything is secure, it's time to reassemble the casing of your Dyson HS05. Line up the casing and press it together gently, making sure not to pinch any wires inside. Finally, replace the screws at the base, ensuring they are tight but not overly so to avoid stripping them. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Dyson HS05 and turn it on to check if the noise has ceased. If it's running smoothly, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your device. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose. Keeping your Dyson HS05 well maintained will help prolong its lifespan and keep it running efficiently. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.